Hey guys, uh, I will show you today how to restore, user or object, which is already deleted from server manager. Okay, so for that, you can open your, first let's see, I'll show you from here. Go to Active Directory, user and computers, right here, right, and then suppose, okay, I have a list here, uh, almost more than 20 users here, and here is one computer also. Okay, here is one computer. So before that, before do anything here, I will go and uh, active the enable, active or enable, so to that restore objects from here. Okay, so let's see here. So go to this Active Directory Administrator Center, click here, and here when you click the your local, your domain, this is domain, right? So this is domain, and all the way right, check it out here, enable recycle bin. So you have to enable this first. Okay, and then you have to go there and then delete, and it works. Otherwise you have to do double. So I will click this one, and it will ask you are you sure you want to perform action once recycle bin has been enabled? It can't be disabled. Okay, we need this one, right? Okay, and then just refresh the AD in administrator center. Okay, we'll do that. Okay, this is a AD our in admin center. So here is a refresh button. Okay, so just refresh here. You can see here something. See here, this one. Before we don't have this one. So delete object. Okay, just double click here. You can see anything here, right? So for that, for these actions, we have to go to uh, our here, so AD user and computers, right? So I'm going to this is in our employees, and this is a department sales, right? I'm going to delete this William, Thomas, and Steve, right? Okay, I'm going to delete these guys. Just click this one, delete. Okay, yes. Okay, delete this one, right? So later we need these guys. I mean somebody delete this one accidentally in that time, so we can recover this one. So how to do that? Go to your this AD, right? So AD administrator center here, and then just refresh here one time, because we already did here, right? So nothing here. So just refresh here. You can see here these names, right? Okay, so you want to do this one by one, or whole thing one time. So that's, you can do that. Just right click here, restore. Right click here, restore. Select, right click here, restore. Okay, now go to your AD user and computers, and then in sale you can just do and refresh here. See here, these three guys are here, right? So for we can do in another object also. Suppose PC2, we have a two PC here, right? Already we have a connection with our server. So this AD, right? So I'm going to delete this one, PC2, yes. Now go to AD center, AD administrator center. Just refresh this one, and here is a PC, right? So same thing we have to do. Right click, restore. Okay, and go back here, just refresh here. Bingo, right? So everything we can do like this. I mean if somebody accidentally delete something in object or users, you can restore that from the recycle bin. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you, bye.